Hi everyone, I'm introducing the ThinkVision P27u monitor, designed to enhance your productivity. This monitor will be a special weapon in professional fields to benefit both video and graphic creations. Unboxing and setup is easy. Here is the monitor stand, base, and cables. Together with a quick setup guide and factory calibration report inside the box. 2 steps to assemble. Fasten the screws, snap on, and you are done. This monitor has a 27-inch 4K resolution screen and a versatile port selection, including HDMI, DisplayPort, Thunderbolt 4 input, Ethernet, and Thunderbolt 4 output. Also USB ports and audio out. The screen has a 4K resolution and a wide color gamut, namely over 99% coverage of DCI-P3 and Adobe RGB. This means that you can work with DCI-P3 for video creation or work with Adobe RGB for color-critical graphic design. One screen to satisfy 2 demands. Moreover, the screen features HDR 400, which provides realistic HDR effects for better visuals, and also built-in speakers for a better audio experience. In order to best utilize its full capabilities, this monitor is professionally designed as a productivity hub with a wide range of port options. It features the latest Thunderbolt 4 ports in and out to meet the demand for fast data transfer as well as efficient docking. One cable connection to enable display, data transfer, and power charging to the connected notebook simultaneously. It also provides USB-C port for fast charging of mobile devices. An Ethernet port is also equipped on the P27u for reliable and efficient network connection, as well as better manageability. With Thunderbolt out, multi-screen collaboration is also supported to maximize productivity. If you are connecting multiple PCs to the monitor, the Key VM function can help you quickly switch between 2 PCs without changing the keyboard and mouse. The Smart Light function can intelligently detect ambient light and adjust the screen accordingly for a better display effect. For IT managers, you can not only enjoy better manageability via Ethernet, but also have more management options, thanks to vPro. This monitor is compatible with modular cameras to enable video conferencing for remote work. An optional shading hood helps you get the best view of your display as needed. Compared with the previous generation, this upgrade will truly exceed your expectations. The ThinkVision P27u monitor will be your best choice.